Okay, this problem says, what net charge would you place on a 100-gram piece of sulfur if you put an extra electron on 1 in trillion of its atoms? Okay, so we'll have to find out how many electrons you're putting in. Sulfur has an atomic mass of 32.1 units. Okay, so that means sulfur 32.1 grams of sulfur will have 6.02 the Avogadro number of atoms. Okay, 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So the number of sulfur atoms that you have is 100 grams divided by 32.1 gram per mole. That's how many moles you have. And 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms per mole. Okay, so that's how many sulfur atom you have. Okay, and this works out to that's how many sulfur atoms you have. Okay, what are you going to do? On every trillionth of sulfur atom, you're going to put one extra electron. Okay, so let's figure out how many electrons you're going to put. Oops. So we'll so the number of electrons you're going to put is number of sulfur atom divided by every trillionth sulfur atom you're going to put an electron. Okay. So this is equal to 1.88 into 10 to the 24 divided by 10 to the 12. So what we are saying is in 2 trillion sulfur atoms you're putting an extra electron. Okay, even though you're putting one in every trillionth, you're putting on 2 trillion sulfur atoms, you're putting an extra electron. Okay, so what is it? What net charge would you place on a? So on this 100-gram piece, the charge you're going to place is the number of extra electrons times the charge of the electron. That many extra electrons you place times 1 point, and here we are calculating the magnitude of this charge. And we'll set 300 minus 9 coulomb, 300 nanocoulomb. So this sulfur particle has 300 nanocoulombs. And remember, in the particle precipitator, we put a charge of 5 nanocoulombs, and that was a large charge. And you're going to put 60 times greater charge here. So not an easy task to do.